Correct answer. So all the students should write down the answers. You can also mark it on your book. The correct answer will be climate. Places situated near the sea have a dash climate.
Cooler.
The correct answer is cooler. Next, May and dash are the hottest months.
June.
Very good. June is the correct answer. Dash in India is largely dependent on monsoon rains.
Agriculture.
Yes. Agriculture in India is largely dependent on monsoon rains. In dash India, winters are cool and pleasant.
Southern.
It's showing incorrect here, but the answer will be southern. Okay. So though it is showing incorrect here, but the answer will be southern. Okay. Southern is the correct answer. Dash is the third season of the year when fruit is gathered.
Autumn.
So autumn is the correct answer. So I'm again showing you all the answer. The students who are still writing, write the first answer will be climate. The second answer will be cooler. The third answer will be June. The fourth answer will be agriculture. The fifth answer will be southern. Okay, it will not be northern, it will be southern. The sixth answer will be autumn. Okay, so these are the answers of part A. Now let's see what is there in part B. Fill in the blanks. Let's do it. The climate of a place determines our lifestyle, the food we eat, and the dash we wear. Question number 2. Places situated in the hills and mountains are cooler as compared to plains. Plains is the correct answer. The cool breeze from the sea keeps the dash areas cool. Keeps the coastal areas cool. Moisture-laden monsoon winds enter India from the Arabian Sea and the Very good. Now question number 5. In dash, days are short and nights are long.
Winter.
And dash is a cool and pleasant season. Okay, so let's see all the answers, whether they are correct or not. Very good. All the answers are correct. I'm again showing you all the answers so that you can write the answers. The students who are writing, write it now. First answer will be clothes. The second answer will be plains. The third answer will be coastal. The fourth answer will be Indian Ocean. The fifth answer will be winters. And the sixth answer will be spring. Okay, now students, as you are giving the answer, you're telling the answers to me, you can lower your hands. Okay, so many hands are raised there. It doesn't look good. So if you, as you are giving the answers right now, so you can lower your hands. Okay, so now in the next section, you can see that answer the following questions and think and answer. 2 different parts are there. So let's look at this part. Answer the following questions. What is the difference between climate and weather?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Okay, Shirin, tell the answer. What is the difference between climate and weather?
Okay, ma'am. The difference between climate and weather. Climate. The word climate refers to the weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. Ma'am? Ma'am, can you hear me? Hello, ma'am. hear me? Ma'am, you are muted.
Yes, I was muted at that time. Now can you all hear me?
Ma'am, all are muted.
Now can you hear me, Shireen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you tell the answer.
Okay, ma'am. First answer. What is the difference between climate and weather? The difference between climate and weather. Climate. The word climate refers to the weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. It usually describes the weather of a place throughout the year. Weather. Weather is the conditions of atmosphere of a place over a certain period of time. For example, when we say that it is hot or windy day, we are referring to the weather of the place. Weather keeps changing every day.
No need, Shireen, no need to write that much. You can only write 2 lines. Just write the definition of climate and weather. So you can just write that the word climate refers to the weather condition of a place over a long period of time. See, I'm zooming in this part. You just
And
write
then,
this line.
Can you keep me unmute?
Okay. And now you write, but the student to whom I will ask the question, they will only give the answer. Okay. Now weather. Weather is the condition of an atmosphere of a place over a certain period of time. That's it. Only these 2 lines will be enough, because this question can come in short type questions, or even if it carries 2 marks, then also writing this answer will be enough. So the climate is the weather condition of a place for a long period of time, whereas weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place over a certain period of time. That much, if you write that much, that will be enough. Okay. And now let's see the next question. What is the next question here? What are the factors that affect the climate of India? What are the factors that affect the climate of India? I can see so many hands are raised here. Who can tell the answer? Shushnata? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you tell me what are the factors that affect the climate of India? Just tell the names of the factors. No need to explain.
Okay, ma'am, I am telling. The factors that affect the climate of India are location, temperature, rainfall, direction of the wind, and distance from the equator.
Okay, that is the correct answer. So just if you just write the names, so what are the factors that control or that that affect our climate or control our climate? So you should write like this: the factors that affect the climate of India are location, number 1 location, number 2 temperature, number 3 rainfall, number 4 direction of the winds, and number 5 distance from the equator. So these are the 5 factors that affect the climate of India.
Ma'am, can I stay unmuted?
Okay, but don't make any noise. How do we enjoy the summer season? How do we enjoy the summer season? Who can tell the answer? Oishi Mondol. Oishi, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Oishi, you were not present in the first period. Why?
Ma'am, I am present in the first period.
But I couldn't see your name there. Yes,
You
I can
cannot see
understand
me.
because I can't
really
hear anything. I can't hear anything from your device. That means you have some serious network problem. Okay, you try to solve it. Even though, even if you tell the answer, I will not be able to hear you. I can't hear anything. I can see that you are telling something, but I can't hear anything. Okay. So, okay, then Oishani and Obhipsha, you unmute your device. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Can you show question number 2?
Question number 2. What are the factors that affect the climate of India? The factors that affect the climate of India are the location, distance from equator. So these are the, just you need to write the names. Okay. Location, that is written in the previous page, then temperature, rainfall, direction of the wind, these are the factors, the names of the factors: temperature, rainfall, direction of the wind, and distance from the equator. So these are the factors that affect our climate. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So now can you tell me the answer of the next question? The next question here that is written, it's how do we enjoy the summer season? Can you tell me the answer? Okay, I'm not getting any reply. Yes, Anjum Sahani.
Yes, ma'am. I can tell the answer.
Okay, then tell it. How do we enjoy the summer season?
Okay, ma'am, I'm telling. During the summer season is 1 minute, ma'am. The summer season in India starts from the middle of March and lasts till the middle of June. The temperature rises during the time year and it gets very hot. May and June are the hottest months of the year. During summer, every part of India except mountains experience hot and dry weather. In the northern plains, they
No,
call
Anjum, this is not a long type question. This is a very short type question, and you will just have to write how we enjoy the summer season. What you are telling, this is about the summer season. How is the weather at that time? So we don't need to write them. We will just write how we enjoy. So just write this part. Look at the
Ma'am, I
screen.
can
I'm
tell.
marking
Then
it.
in the last there is written. Ma'am,
Yes,
I can
to
tell.
beat the heat of the summer, just this line. To beat the heat of the summer, we eat fruits like watermelons, cherries, lychees, grapes, and mangoes. Many people also go to hill stations like Shimla, Nainital, etc. That's it. Only the last two sentences. This is what you need to write. Okay? Okay, Anju?
Okay, ma'am.
Just write these last two sentences. That will be enough. How do we enjoy the summer season? The question is, okay. Now the next question is, describe the monsoon season in India. Now this is a description. Here you will have to describe the monsoon season. Okay. So Anubhav Khara. Yes, Anubhav, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the answer of this question? Describe the monsoon season.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then tell it. Start.
Some place the most monsoon rainfall across the north. The first state of receive monsoon rainfall is Kerala. The eastern part of India experiences heavy rainfall. We use raincoats and umbrella while going out during monsoon.
Okay. Okay. So what you will have to write in this part, this is, you can see this is a long type question, and this question may contain even 3 marks. So what you will have to write, everyone go to page number 45. There you can see the first line under this part, monsoon or rainy season. The monsoon season in India generally starts from June and continues till August. So mark from this line. And what you will have to write, you will have to write up to this line, going out during monsoons, up to this line. I'm reading this portion that you will have to write. So the question is, describe the monsoon season. Okay. So what you will have to write here, that the monsoon season in India generally starts from June and continues till August. Moisture-laden monsoon winds enter India from the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean. Different parts of the country experience rainfall during the monsoon months. In some places, the post-monsoon rainfall occurs till November. The first state to receive the monsoon rainfall is Kerala. The eastern parts of India experience heavy rainfall. We use raincoats and umbrellas while going out during monsoons. And you also add this one, okay, this line should also be written. Sometimes excessive rain leads to flood, while the lack of rainfall causes drought. Right up to this, okay. The exact part that is written in your book, the whole part you will have to write. And this is a long type question that describe the monsoon season. Now the next question is, describe the winter season in different parts of India. Describe the winter season in different parts of India. Now who will tell this answer? Swarnakshi Chakraborty, you unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you tell this answer? Describe the winter season in different parts of India. This is also a long type question, and this question can also carry from 2 to 3 marks, okay?
Yes, ma'am. The winter season begins from November and continues till February. January is the coldest month of the season. Northern India is colder, being close to the Himalayas.
Mountainous states
like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand experience freezing temperatures. Freezing days and very cold nights are experienced in the desert region.
Yes.
Occasional showers bring down the temperature further. In southern India, winters are cool and pleasant. This is because the area's proximity to the sea.
Very good. Very good. This is the answer, and the answer is absolutely correct. So to get the answer of this question, students, you will have to go to page number 46 from your book. Go to page number 46. There you will have to write from this line. As the question is, describe the winter season in different parts of India. So you will start from this line. Northern India is colder, being close. Okay, you can start by this line. As Swarnakshi has said, that is absolutely correct. The winter season in India begins from November and continues till February. Write this line first, and after that you'll write from this line. Northern India is colder, being close to the Himalayas. Mountainous states like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, they experience freezing cold. And in desert region, the nights are very cold, and occasional showers also bring the temperature very down. In southern India, the winters are cool and pleasant. This is because of the area's proximity to sea. That means they are in southern India, most of the areas are very close to the sea. So this whole part you will have to write, because this is a long type question. This question can even carry 3 marks. Okay. So this whole part you will have to write. Now the last question for today. Why is spring season considered a cool and pleasant season? Why is spring season considered as a cool and pleasant season? Farhan Malik, unmute your device. Yes, Farhan, you unmute your device. You have raised your hand. I can see here. No, I'm not getting any reply from Farhan. Next name I can see here, Bonoshri Jana. Bonoshri, you unmute your device.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Bonoshri. Yes, can you tell me the answer of this question? Why is spring season considered a cool and pleasant season?
Yes, ma'am. I can answer this question.
Okay, tell it then.
Yes, ma'am. The spring season is considered as a cool and pleasant season because in this season, trees and plants bear new leaves and flowers. And in this season, it is not very cold and also it is not very hot. So this is the reason that the spring season is
Hello, ma'am.
cool and
Yes,
pleasant.
Farhan, now I can hear you. Just wait. Bonoshri is telling the answer. Then I will come back to you. Yes, Bonoshri, have you completed telling the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is the correct answer that Bonoshri has said, that spring season comes right after the winter. So it is not too hot then and it is not too cold also. And at the same time in this season, we can see the trees and plants bear new leaves and flowers. So the nature is very bright and colorful then. So this is why the spring season is very cool and pleasant season, because the weather is not too much cold and not too much hot also, because this season comes right after the winter season. And at the same time, the trees and plants bear new leaves and flowers, so the nature becomes very bright and colorful. So this is why it is very pleasant and cool. Okay.
I have some doubts also.
Yes, Bonoshri, tell me what doubt you have.
I'm from chapter 6, the coastal plains and islands.
Okay, tell me what doubt you have there.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the meaning of rugged?
Tell me the page number where you have found that word.
Yes, ma'am. In
Okay,
chapter
just a second. Before starting the doubt clearing part, so this is it. That's it for today. We will not discuss the think and answer for today. The think and answer part, we will discuss it tomorrow. You can see two questions are there. Why is monsoon season very important in India? And how do the different seasons affect our lives? Discuss in the class. So both of these answers you will get in your book, but still we will not discuss it today. We don't have that much time. The class time is also going to be over. So that's it for today. You mark up to this. Tomorrow we will start from this part. We will discuss the think and answer part, and then we will start a new chapter. The new chapter is our energy resources. Okay. Okay, now